Give to that. This idler pulley, no give to that. Our AC pulley, no give. Here we have a power steering pulley, no give. Next things. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In the event you don't know, I'm Victor. I'm looking at the Jeep again. If you watched the last video, there was no missing the squeaky belt content on there. And yeah, what are you gonna do? The person before did run this through the mud quite a bit, so I was making the excuse that it was probably mud. But quick diagnosing of the situation here. So everything's turned off, so trying to find a squeaky belt, one thing you want to easily look for are loose idler pulleys. So let's check these out here. If you have a loose pulley, you should be able to just wiggle it and it should have some play there. That's firm. Or alternator pulley, I mean, there's no give to that. This idler pulley, no give to that. Our AC pulley, no give. Here we have a power steering pulley, no give. Next things we can do is go ahead and crank the truck up and see how everything's lined up with the truck running. Alright, so truck's running and wouldn't you know it, it's not squeaking right now. It's because I intended to show you what it could be, and it's going to make a liar out of me. However, you guys knew it was there. It was definitely had the squeaking to it. It's pretty annoying. But one thing you can look for is the alignment on your pulleys being off. You want to use caution checking it while it's running is your fan. In my case, my fan's running constantly. Yeah, that'll mess you up if you touch it. But all our pulleys here, everything's looking good. Let's look at the other side here. Looking at the power steering side. Now this power steering one does look like it's going a little crazy, but it could be the I don't know. Look at this. From this angle here, it does look to me like it's got some wiggle to it, from side to side. So wiggling it by hand, I couldn't feel any movement at all. However, but it ain't squealing. One thing you could also do is put water on the pulley and see if that stops the squeaking. However, it ain't squeaking. Alright, let's be real, so that's not going to be a real effective test because she ain't squeaking. I don't know why it stopped. But it ain't squeaking right now. Let me turn the AC on and see if that changes anything. The radio's on. Allows you to bypass the market, receive it all. Air's on. No changes. That's the weirdest thing. Let me turn the wheel a little bit here, see if that does anything. There's squeaky wheel or suspension. Well, I want to show you some magic here to make it stop. Got the old belt conditioner from Advanced Auto Parts that was going to help get us by, but she ain't squeaking. So y'all ain't gonna believe this. In the last video, it was not squeaking at all. The battery ended up dying on me, but I sprayed the belt conditioner on it because I had it. And that squeal came to life. Like, sounds all kinds of awful. I do not recommend belt conditioner. First time using it, it's supposed to fix the squeak. It just made it a million times worse. There was no squeak. Well, son, she just came to life. Listen to this. All kinds of awful. Tell me about it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put the water hose on it, and after I apply the water, you're going to see that sound goes away, and that's because it is a belt issue. In my case, it's not a pulley that's causing the squealing from bad bearings and whatnot. It is a belt deal. So we're gonna spray with the water. You're gonna hear it stop, and I'm gonna spray some Simple Green on it, the old biodegradable Simple Green, while it's on the truck, to try to get it to clean it up without taking it off. The real way to do this is to pull the belt off there, clean it really good with the engine degreaser, and then clean the pulleys good to get all that belt conditioner crap off there. Let it dry and put it back together, and you should be in business. Alright, so it's almost gone 100%. You can hear a little bit on startup. I do see a little play in the fan clutch, which leads me to think I might have had a belt issue. It's now clean. The belt squeaking is gone. I cleaned the belt conditioner off with the biodegradable Simple Green, fully concentrated with some water from the water hose. Did not mix the two together in the bottle. Because we're doing it, I can hear it on crank up, and I do see a little bit of wobble to the fan clutch. Now the Jeep's not getting hot. However, the fan clutch does have a little bit of wobble. That leads me to think that some of that squealing on startup is due to the fan clutch. So we're going to change that out too, just to totally eliminate all that. But I hope you found some value in this to help you try to diagnose your squeaky belt situation. If this video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up. If it wasn't helpful, you made it this far, give it a thumbs up too. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next one, we'll see you then.